Alright guys, I got the PlayStation 4 Pro here. We're going to be unboxing it and we're going to try to post some gameplay at, by the end of the day. But we just got it here and yeah, I'm so happy for this. Just got to get this off here. It's the PlayStation 4 Pro, 4K, 1 terabyte. My mom and I just bought it from the store. I'm so happy. I have an Xbox, but like the PlayStation 4 Pro, I wanted to get a PlayStation 2, and yeah. Oh my gosh. This is, alright, so we got HDMI cord and the PlayStation cord here. Look at this. We got the normal standard PlayStation controller. We got earbuds, I think. Yeah, PlayStation earbuds with a small mic. Then we got another HDMI cord. Actually, no, I don't think that's an HDMI cord. I think that's the cord to charge the controllers. And then the big one, the one we've all been waiting for, the actual PlayStation 4 Pro. We got some little books here on how to hook it up. We got stickers. We got a white, just a plain white one. And then we have the original PlayStation sign. There's nothing else in the box. All right, let's see what this looks like. All right, so this is what we got. The PlayStation. It's pretty clean, nice and fresh. It's gonna go right on top of the Xbox, which, yeah, so we're gonna have to hook it up. I'm gonna plug in the HDMI cords. I'm gonna plug in the cord to get it started. And, oh my gosh. I'll try to have gameplay out. I might not have gameplay out by the end of the day. I might do a live stream. I'll probably just do a live stream. So that's what will be on the channel. And my little sister is behind the camera right now. So I think she's doing a pretty good job. But of course I don't know until I see the video. But yeah.
You know, I just showed my face and just flip it like what some people do.
Okay, Alicia.
What?
Alright, guys. I'm about to put this, hook it up, turn it on, plug it in. Oh, where am I gonna plug it in? I just realized that.
You're
I
not
don't have any more space.
You're showing people that.
Alright.
How many shows have you made?
Wait, what? Alright, there we go. That's in. With that.
How many shows have you made?
This is gonna be my 7th video, I think. Alright, now we need to put this over here. Move this Xbox. My mom also got me controller pegs, because when I was on Xbox, I actually liked controller pegs. I had them. So yeah, I got those too. Put it in like this. I think that's how it works. I've never had a PlayStation that was recently dated. I don't even know how to turn it on. We're gonna have to figure that out. I feel like a bot. I didn't plug it in, I'm stupid. Alright, hook this up.
Crowds heard you.
HDMI 2. Alright, we're gonna have to figure out some way to put this in and plug it up. Not sure how we'll do it, but we might have to unplug the PlayStation, the Xbox. Just for now, we're gonna be unplugging the Xbox. Sorry, Xbox. It's the HDMI cord. Xbox PlayStation cord. Get that over here. So I normally play on Xbox One. So in the gameplay, if I'm not that good, that's why. Is it on? Wait, let's turn this on. And then, oh, that's dope. Look at that. All right. But that's all I have for y'all, YouTube. Hope y'all have a nice time. And I hope y'all enjoy the video.